It has never happened before when you see a single crypto exchange signing a lot of partnership with sports companies, especially the sports entertainment company. Now, Crypto.com are now number one crypto exchange that have signed massive agreement with sports company from NBA to football. They're sponsoring to Formula 1 to UFC. Now, this is a good one for Crypto.com in general, and it's also a good one for Crypto.com because that alone can affect the price of CRO Kronos positively, because many more people will now have access to Crypto.com in order to buy and use their local coin. Remember, Binance are there pushing up BNB, and today you all know the price of BNB starting from $1. There was a time BNB was trading for $1, and today you know the price of BNB. Now, Crypto.com is one of the top crypto exchange that are actually working very, very hard in order to push its own local coin, which is CRO. Now, with all this partnership with different companies from Formula 1 to Serie A to PSG to Lakers to a lot of them, Crypto.com is actually going to push CRO to actually hit a massive increase in price. Now, one thing you need to understand that CRO has all it takes to really increase in price, because many people have actually invested on CRO. In fact, CRO right now is among the top 25 crypto coins with the highest market cap, which is a good one for CRO, because many more people after the World Cup, because remember they are also part of the World Cup sponsor, we be engaged, but we know more and we buy CRO coin with Crypto.com, and we are hoping for such news. We are hoping to see Crypto.com CRO massively increase in price before the end of the year. Once again, remember not to forget and subscribe to our channel in order not to miss our next video. And also, please remember this video is on the financial advice, so please can do your own research before taking any decision.